In this video, I'll show you how to get your Payoneer account approved and verified step by step. First, make sure you complete the initial sign-up correctly. When creating your Payoneer account, enter your real name, correct address, phone number, and email exactly as they appear on your official documents. If the information does not match your documents later, Payoneer may delay or reject your verification. Next, log into your Payoneer account and check for any requests in the Verification Center. To find it, click your profile icon, go to Settings, and open Verification Center. Payoneer usually asks for documents like a government-issued ID, proof of address, or bank statement depending on your account type. Now upload the requested documents clearly. Make sure your ID is not expired, the images are clear and not cropped, and all important details like your name and date are visible. If Payoneer asks for proof of address, documents such as a utility bill or bank statement from the last 3 months are usually accepted. After submitting everything, wait for Payoneer's review. Approval can take a few hours to a few business days. If they need more information, they'll send a notification in your account or by email. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.